All right, our next day of the state is supersonic jets. A friend of mine, someone I know, has just completed a raise of $100 million to build his supersonic jet. The company is called Boom. I'm not sure it's the best name for a supersonic jet company, but they are focused on bringing a commercial aircraft, a commercial supersonic jet, to 500 cities by 2035, and also creating private supersonic jets. A recent study says that we may experience loud, disruptive sonic booms every 5 minutes if supersonic jets like that become commercialized. The paper warned that, aircraft could create environmental health impacts, but how much do we value our time? There are companies like Boom that are working on quieting the supersonic boom. At the end of the day, it really is a future in which our ability to move around the planet faster and faster through Hyperloop, through Avatar type robots, through rocket point-to-point flight, and through supersonic jets is materializing. So new innovations are always going to create problems, and from my standpoint, the world's biggest problem is the world's biggest business opportunities. So I'm curious, do you want supersonic jets? Would you be willing to tolerate a few sonic booms here and there if you could get from, say, New York to Singapore in a couple hours instead of having to go on a 12-hour flight? Love to hear your thoughts.